Mahika's Crafts here. So today's video is a requested video by one of my subscribers. They requested that they want to see how to make a mask. So today's video is about how to make these 3 masks. So this last mask might be a little weird, this one. Stay tuned till the end so that you understand how to use this mask. It's a little interesting. So let's move on with the video. So this is the first mask that we're making. To make this mask, the materials required are a cloth bag or a piece of cloth, a stapler, elastic thread or normal kind of thread, and scissors. So the first step is to take your cloth bag, and it will have 2 sides like this. So we're gonna cut all from the 3 sides around. We're gonna cut it to obtain this single piece. So my size of this cloth is 30 by 25. So this is 30, that is 25. And we can cut out the excess if required. So the first step is to grab it like this and fold it like that. Now take your stapler and staple it at the edge like this and repeat it on the second side. Just make sure that they are equal. So you staple them like this and again make another fold. This time make it just come a little bit up. Turn it around and take this this piece like this. Now catch it right there and staple it like that. Now repeat this 4 to 5 times. So I did the foldings 4 times and now I feel like there's a lot over here, so I'm going to cut out the excess. So if you can see, this is where my last fold is ending on the underneath. So it's right here. So I'm gonna remove at least 2 centimeters. So for a straight line, I'm going to draw a line over here like this, and we're gonna cut on this line. So this is how it is supposed to look after you're done cutting on the side. Now the next step is that you fold this towards the inner side and staple it so that the end is not rough over here. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. But also remember not to fold too much. Now this is how it is supposed to look after you're done stapling the insides as well. Now next we're going to take 2 strips of elastic. So you can measure it around your ear of how much size you want the elastic to be, but most of the times the elastic is usually 16 centimeters. So I cut them both 16 centimeters today. Now the next step is that we put this over here a little bit inside and staple. Now with the same side coming on the top, staple it over here. Like this. So this will go around your ear, and make sure it's an elastic thing usually because that can be more better around your ear. Now repeat the same thing on this side. So like this. Now this is your mask. So this is the second mask. To make this mask, the materials required are a cloth bag or a piece of cloth, a stapler, elastic thread or normal kind of thread, and scissors. So to make the second mask, the first step is to again take one side of the cloth bag. Now fold it in half and just cut it over here so you can get one half. So now what we're going to do is take it to the inner side and then just fold it like this. And now grab your stapler and staple it like this. So it should look like this on this end. Now repeat the same on the second side. And staple it. Now once you're done, it should look like this. So the sides look like that. Now next, take strips of elastic. So you can measure them around your ear and take accordingly how much size you want. For this one, I took 20 centimeters of each strip. Now what we're going to do is take both sides of the strips like this. Put them on each side of the foldings. Grab your stapler and just staple them. Do the same thing on the second side. So we're going to put them like this on both the sides. Grab your stapler, staple them. Now your second mask is ready. So this is the third mask. I know it looks a little weird, but now let's see how to make this and how to use it. Found around your house, and they're commonly found in every house. And this mask can be made when you're in a rush to go outside, and it is very easy to make. So the first step to make this mask is take 3 tissues. Now take one of them, open them once and place it like this. Now take another one, open it once again and place it upon the previous one. And do the same thing for the third one as well, like this. Now we're going to do the fan fold. So we're going to fold it inwards like this. So I'm going to make the flap thick. And I only got 3 folds. Now take one of the rubber bands. Take one of the sides like this. Place the rubber band around it like this. Now fold it like this and staple it. One staple is enough. If you want it more secure, put 2. Now take another rubber band. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Fold it like this and staple. After you're done, it should look like this. If anything came out, tear it off. Now take one more rubber band, place it through the previous one and pull it like this. So it makes a knot around the previous one. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Take the previous rubber band, take a new one, pull it through like this. Take this, bring this through this side and pull. So it creates a knot. Now you guys are thinking, how is this a mask? But how you use this is these 2 things go around your ears and you're going to open it up like this when you want to use it. So this makes the mask wide, and you're going to put this on your face when it's open like this. So open it properly put this on your face and these are on your ears. If you think the rubber bands are not reaching till your ears, you can add one more on the side to make it more long so that it reaches your ears perfectly. So you can add one more rubber band in the same manner over here. And this is your third mask. So if you guys think that these masks are looking very plain, you can color them up or paint them so that they look more decorative and colorful. Also you can color them and have fun during your quarantine. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you then. Bye. So here's the answer to the last puzzle. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then this 17 minus 9 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 8 minus 5 is 3. 10 plus 9 is 19. 8 plus 8 is 16. 17 plus 16 is 33. 19 plus 17 is 36. And 16 plus 19 is 35. 35 plus 36 is 71. And 36 plus 33 is 69. 71 plus 69 is 140. So the uppermost box is 140. So this is today's puzzle. So basically you just have to refer to these two triangles to find out the answer of this triangle. All the three triangles have the same principle. So let's see who can get this answer.